In this video clip, we are going to study F and G, how to read F and G. Before that, I would like to review the first three notes we learned. C, D, and E. Those are C, D, E. Right here, those three notes. Not here, right here, right here. This is the center of the piano. This is middle C, and then higher than middle C. C, D, E. And then today I would like to talk about those two notes. F is the first line on the top, on the line note. That's F. And sitting on the top of the bench is a G, right here. I would like to go over some of the notes. How about this? Let's read it together. So it's sitting on the top of the bench is a G right here. That's an E from old note. Line note that on the very top line note is F, the new note. Again, sitting on the bench, on the top of the bench. And that's one of the note we already studied. And it goes to the first space note on the top. And it goes to the second space note.